say hi to YouTube now or something.
This year's International Men's Day focuses on improving relationships with the opposite gender. But how can we improve those relationships without improving the relationships between men?
I call you to tell you something, love you, dog.
Out of nowhere.
Yeah, bro, a long time we not talk. Well, we not talk for a month, yeah.
What?
Yeah, I'm just a shout out to make you know I love you, dog. Like, you come, you're in cross my mind.
So say hi to YouTube now or something.
I'm going to call you and tell us I love you. Eh?
I participate now?
One video. Jamaica Observer.
Love you, yeah, bro. Eh? I can't tell my brother some love him.
Bro, you know, I call for making us say, yo, like, men don't normally do this, but you've been like a big brother to me, like a real G. Just making us say, I love you, and I wish you the best in life and so forth. That's it.
Much respect in our family. Of course, same thing on this side. If you ask if I bet you lose,
Yo, I love you, Bridget.
Hello? Yo, Steven. Yeah, I just wanted to call you to tell you I love you, bro.
Okay, I love you too.
Yeah.
One thing people them say, yo, man not like tell man say them love them and sitting because of the typicalness in a society. So I have to tell you from now, say yo, I just love you and respect you. See that?
Just tell me say you love me back now, my youth. What? Just tell me say you love me back.
I love you.
Alright, bro, love you.